Hi.
Papa loves mambo. Mama loves mambo.
We're going to get the poopy.
We're in Houston right now. We're on our way to Bastrop.
Mama loves mambo.
Uh-oh. K-Band. We're going 50.
Ah!
Get us. Legs are burning.
Give us an update.
We're almost to get the poopy. And we've come up with about 4 or 5 names. One of them is Pickles. The next one is Queso. What's the other ones? Tater. Or 420.
So we were at the Dollar General, and we're waiting for the guy to come bring the puppies. The puppies. The puppies.
We were talking about if the dude shows up and he has like a bucket full of puppies or whatever, and they're all like emaciated and like sickly, I'd be so fucking pissed off. Be like, puppies.
Why are you freaking out?
Can we have our bucket full of puppies now? Damn it! Look at Pickles or Tater, whatever you want to name him.
Look, he's so small.
Look! Oh my goodness!
Look at it! Oh my goodness!
So precious. Look at that face.
Oh, hold on.
It's got a little eyeball.
Hold on.
Your mom probably want to know. The birthday is February 13th.
February 13th.
Yeah, I know. Like, I like to celebrate my little doggy.
Thank you
birthday,
so much.
It's the day
Thank you.
before Valentine's.
All right,
Alrighty,
cool.
Thank you.
February 13th. Aw, so sweet.
Oh.
Needs a bath. A little bit. Stinky.
What about name?
Oh, look at it! Look at it! Oh, I love it so much.
Oh.
Thank you for the kisses. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
All right. Don't get in my shirt.
She says, "Give me some boobies." Oh. Ah, you know he's a boy. Little boy.
Get him to lick you. Oh, look. Look at it. Oh, so cute.
All I know is if he pisses on me.
That's why I say put the blanket down. All right, let's go home. No name.
Listen, I think Tater. Look at that little thing.
Or queso.
Or Queso. I like Queso too.
I like queso.
Queso!
Has mom responded?
Oh, you're snagging the shit. Or whatever. It's a crap shirt anyway. Oh my lord. I still got the little baby teeth. Look at this. Flying puppy.
Don't do that, he's gonna make him pee.
Don't pee.
Okay, so once again, I think I did pretty damn well when it comes to Craigslist puppy shopping. I'm 2 for 2. Hopefully soon 3 for 3. Look at that damn thing. Look at it.
Look at it. Hey, little rat.
Yay!
Just took a major shit on this blanket, and I think it's still trying to pinch. Oh, it smells like holy
Where do I
hell.
turn here?
The fucking gas station.
I know.
Anywhere. It smells like asshole. Oh, don't lay in it.
Ow.
Don't fucking
Pick
lay
it up,
in it.
pick it up, pick him up, pick him up, pick him
That's what
up.
I'm doing. Oh my lord, I told you we should take him out. Hold him. Ah! Dog log. Oh.
You're fun. At least it wasn't in your lap.
Bad Tater, you bitch.
Hi. Hello. What's up? No, don't chew the leather. Don't you do it. Where are you going? Don't attack the camera. No, up here.